The beauty of dropshipping with Spocket lies in its seamless integration with a multitude of platforms. This means you're not confined to a single marketplace. Your reach can be global, your niche can be hyper-targeted, and your sales potential is virtually limitless. But with so many options, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. That's why this guide is designed to clarify the landscape, helping you make informed decisions that align with your business goals and the products you've curated from Spocket's extensive catalog. Let's begin with the behemoths, the household names that offer unparalleled exposure. 1. Shopify, your e-commerce empire in the making. If you're serious about building a brand and having complete control over your customer experience, Shopify is arguably the gold standard. Spocket integrates flawlessly with Shopify, allowing you to import products, manage orders, and automate much of your dropshipping process with ease. Why Shopify? Because it provides a robust, scalable platform where you own your store, your data, and your customer relationships. You can customize every aspect, from your website design to your checkout flow, allowing you to build a truly unique brand identity. This is crucial for long-term success, as it fosters customer loyalty and repeat purchases. With Shopify, you're not just selling products, you're building a destination. You can implement powerful SEO strategies, run targeted ad campaigns, Google Ads, Facebook ads, etc., and build email marketing lists to nurture leads and drive sales. The App Store is vast, offering solutions for everything from upsells and cross-sells to customer support and analytics. While there's a monthly subscription fee, the return on investment can be substantial, especially as your business scales. If you envision a sustainable, branded dropshipping business, Shopify is an absolute must-consider. 2. BigCommerce, power and scalability for growth. Another formidable e-commerce platform that integrates well with Spocket is BigCommerce. Similar to Shopify, BigCommerce offers a comprehensive suite of tools for building and managing an online store. It's known for its robust features, particularly for businesses looking to scale. BigCommerce provides excellent built-in SEO tools, advanced product management, and a wide array of payment gateway options. One of BigCommerce's strengths lies in its enterprise-level features, making it suitable for sellers with larger inventories or those anticipating rapid growth. It offers flexible APIs, which can be beneficial for custom integrations if you have specific needs. While it might have a slightly steeper learning curve for absolute beginners compared to Shopify, its power and scalability make it a strong contender for serious dropshippers who want a platform that can grow with them. 3. WooCommerce, WordPress flexibility and open source control. For those who prefer the flexibility and open source nature of WordPress, WooCommerce is the perfect solution. As a free plugin for WordPress, WooCommerce transforms your website into a fully functional online store. Spocket has a dedicated WooCommerce integration, making it straightforward to add products and manage your dropshipping operations. The main advantage of WooCommerce is the unparalleled control it offers. You own your website entirely, and you have access to a massive ecosystem of WordPress themes and plugins. This means you can customize your store to an almost limitless extent, tailoring it precisely to your brand and niche. However, with this freedom comes responsibility. You're responsible for hosting, security, and maintaining your WordPress site. This makes it a good option for those who are comfortable with a bit more technical involvement or are willing to invest in managed WordPress hosting. It's a powerful choice for building a unique, content-rich e-commerce site around your Spocket products. Now, let's explore the vast world of marketplaces, where millions of potential customers are already searching for products. 4. Etsy, niche appeal for unique Spocket finds. Don't underestimate the power of Etsy, especially if the Spocket products you've chosen have a unique, handmade, vintage, or craft-oriented appeal. While Etsy is primarily known for handmade goods, many Spocket suppliers offer products that fit this aesthetic or can be marketed in a way that resonates with Etsy's audience. Think about artisanal homeware, unique jewelry, personalized gifts, or even some print-on-demand items if you find suppliers for them on Spocket. The key to success on Etsy is strong product photography, compelling descriptions, and a clear brand story. While you'll be competing with other sellers, Etsy's built-in audience is actively looking for specific, often quirky, items. If you can find Spocket products that align with Etsy's buyer demographics, it can be a highly lucrative channel for generating sales. 5. Wix. User-friendly e-commerce for beginners. Wix has emerged as a very popular website builder, and its e-commerce capabilities are constantly improving. Spocket offers a direct integration with Wix, making it a viable option for those looking for a user-friendly platform with a drag-and-drop interface. Wix is known for its ease of use and its wide array of templates, allowing you to get a good-looking store up and running quickly. While Wix might not offer the same depth of features or scalability as Shopify or BigCommerce for very large operations, it's an excellent choice for beginners or those who prefer a more streamlined, visual approach to building their online store. If you're starting small and want a platform that's easy to navigate, Wix can be a great place to sell your Spocket products. 6. Squarespace. Elegant design and simplified selling. Squarespace is another strong contender for easy-to-use website builders with integrated e-commerce. Like Wix, Squarespace prioritizes elegant design and a simplified user experience. Spocket has a direct integration with Squarespace, allowing for seamless product import and order fulfillment. Squarespace is particularly popular among creatives and those who prioritize aesthetics. If your Spocket products are visually appealing and you want a clean, professional-looking store with minimal fuss, Squarespace could be an excellent fit. It offers good built-in SEO tools and mobile responsiveness, ensuring your store looks great on any device. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.